Hello everyone, we're here to introduce ScootGo, an innovative and eco-friendly e-scooter rental service designed specifically for the student community in Blagoevgrad. Today, we'll walk you through our business concept, funding strategy, and future plans for ScootGo.
Imagine being in a rush to the main building while you're late for a lecture and there's no quick way to get there. For students and young professionals in Blagoevgrad, transportation options can be limited. That's where Skutgo comes in. Our mission is to provide fast, affordable, and eco-friendly transport, which helps to reduce carbon emissions while making commuting easier for students.
Introducing the product, talking about the e-scooters themselves, they have a speed limit of 20 kilometers per hour for safety reasons and come with complimentary helmets. Each scooter has a GPS tracking and smart locks to prevent theft. And if a scooter goes outside the city limits, the motor cuts off automatically. In our products, we focus mostly on sustainability and durability, aiming to provide a loyal customer base and keep our scooters in great condition.
Moving on to the market strategy and threats, our target market is mainly students and young professionals. But we know that there are many challenges, such as seasonal drops in demand, wear and tear, vandalism, and competition. Our solutions include routine maintenance, seasonal offers through the app, and strong partnerships with local authorities to ensure any issues with scooter misuse are dealt with.
If we look over at the funding strategy, refer to the image on the right, we will need between around 35,000 and 50,000 pounds to cover our sunk costs. This will cover 50 e-scooters, docking stations, app development, and staff for maintenance. On average, it will cost us £16,500 per quarter to run the business. Our funding sources include university sustainability grants, loans from the Bulgarian Development Bank, crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter, and even private investors who support green mobility initiatives.
Now we're going to look at cost budget and risks. The cost budget on the right shows our cash inflows and outflows. Of course, we've also considered the risks. These include supply chain delays, like waiting for scooter and scooter parts to arrive, and lower revenue during the colder months when fewer people want to ride due to cold weather and rain. We plan to diversify suppliers and use seasonal promotions to keep ridership up during these slow periods.
Considering the future, to expand for the short term, we'll focus on building a strong presence here in Blagoevgrad. On the other hand, if we think big for the long term, we plan to expand to other Bulgarian cities like Sofia, Plovdiv, and Varna, where there's a high demand for eco-friendly transport. We are also exploring franchising and strategic partnerships with other eco-friendly initiatives to help grow the brand without taking on too much financial risks. Referring to the image on the right, you can see that we have an internal rate of return of 81%, which gives us plenty of capital to reinvest into the business so that we meet our goals. Also noticing the net present value and anything else.
So, to wrap up, Scoogo is more than just a scooter rental service. It's a sustainable transport solution designed to make life easier for students and young professionals. With smart funding, focused marketing, and continuous user engagement, we believe that Scoogo can thrive and expand into the local region and other countries.
Thank you for your attention, and we hope you like our product.